Hello and welcome to my newest listing at 301 Westhill Drive, located in the popular Bill Gatos neighborhood of Los Gatos. As a backdrop to this lovely home, you have the popular Bill Gatos neighborhood park and the Los Gatos foothills just beyond. This home was built just 25 years ago, so you enjoy lofty ceilings and large picture windows and a very open, functional floor plan. Let's go inside and take a look. There's so much to love about this property from top to bottom. Almost 3,200 square feet, an over 10,000 square foot lot with a park behind. The list price is $2,250,000. I can't wait to show you.